know you were here. Awesome, huh? What? You think a kid like me can't do monkey bars? I'm good. Lots of practice. A bunch of kids who go to this school love the monkey bars too. Have you been out here at recess? Everybody wants to play on them. What would be cool is if they had 20 monkey bars, but they don't. They only have one. That can cause problems, like last week. I don't want to brag, but it's a good thing I was here to help. There's these two girls, Brianna and Anne. Everybody knows they're best friends. They even have friendship bracelets that are exactly alike. But they aren't exactly alike. Brianna is really good at hopscotch, and Anne is really good at monkey bars. She almost never falls off, and the rule on the playground is, it's your turn until you fall off. So, what's the problem?
I've been waiting a long time. Recess is almost over. I'm never going to get a turn. I'm breaking my record! It's not fair.
Uh-oh.
Hey! I'll never break my record now. It's all your fault. No, it isn't. You're supposed to take turns, and you never do. I do too. No, you don't. I've been waiting a million years, and you won't get off. I didn't even see you.
As you can see, these girls had a problem.
You were in my way. You saw me, but you wouldn't let go.
Okay, I think you both need to calm down. Then they worked on saying the problem without blaming. Okay, this is good so far. You've calmed down, and you can say the problem without blaming. So what's the problem again?
You both want to go on the monkey bars at the same time, but only one person at a time is allowed.
That is a problem. So what do you do next?
Think of solutions?
Yes, thinking of solutions that are safe and respectful. So why don't you give it a try?
Maybe you could take a break from monkey bars and let me have a turn. Or you could go play something else while I keep going.
What are some other solutions?
I guess I can keep waiting in line. Maybe when I get on the monkey bars, I can count to 100 and then give you a turn, even if I haven't fallen off.
You're really thinking.